Hello, friends. Get ready to dive into the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables. Today, we're going to explore 10 amazing fruits and 10 awesome vegetables that are not only delicious but also super good for you. Let's start with our fruits. 1. Apples come in different colors like red, green, and yellow. They're crunchy, juicy, and perfect for snacks or making applesauce. 2. Bananas are yellow and curved, full of potassium to keep our muscles strong. They're great for breakfast or as a yummy smoothie ingredient. 3. Strawberries are red, sweet, and juicy, packed with vitamin C to keep us healthy. They're great in desserts or salads. 4. Grapes come in bunches and are usually purple or green. They're sweet, juicy, and make a perfect snack any time of day. 5. Oranges are round and orange, of course, bursting with vitamin C to help us fight off colds. Perfect for snacks or juice. 6. Blueberries are small, round, and blue. They're packed with antioxidants to keep our bodies strong. Great for snacks or in smoothies. 7. Watermelons are big and green on the outside, sweet and juicy on the inside. Perfect for staying hydrated on hot days. 8. Pineapples are yellow and spiky on the outside, sweet and tangy on the inside. They're delicious in fruit salads or as a refreshing snack. 9. Kiwi fruits are brown and fuzzy on the outside, bright green and tangy on the inside. They're packed with vitamin C and taste great in salads or by themselves. 10. Mangoes are orange-yellow and sweet, with a tropical flavor. They're perfect for snacks, smoothies, or even in salsas. Now, let's meet some fantastic vegetables. 1. Carrots are orange, crunchy, and full of vitamins that help us see in the dark. Great for snacks or in soups and stews. 2. Broccoli is green and looks like a little tree. It's packed with vitamins and fiber to help us grow strong. Delicious steamed, roasted, or raw with dip. 3. Spinach is green and leafy, full of iron to make our muscles and brains strong. Tastes great in salads, soups, or smoothies. 4. Tomatoes come in red, yellow, and even purple colors. They're juicy and full of antioxidants to keep our hearts healthy. Perfect in salads, sandwiches, or sauces. 5. Bell peppers come in different colors like red, green, yellow, and orange. They're crunchy and full of vitamins. Great in salads, stir-fries, or stuffed with yummy fillings. 6. Cucumbers are green and refreshing, perfect for staying hydrated. They're great in salads, sandwiches, or as crunchy snacks. 7. Potatoes come in different colors and shapes, like russet, red, or sweet potatoes. They're packed with energy and vitamins. Delicious baked, mashed, or in soups. 8. Zucchini is green and deliciously versatile. It's full of vitamins and can be grilled, sautéed, or even baked into breads and muffins. 9. Cauliflower is white and full of vitamins and fiber. It can be roasted, mashed, or even turned into cauliflower rice for a healthy twist on meals. 10. Corn is yellow and sweet, full of fiber and vitamins. It's great boiled, grilled, or as a crunchy snack. Wow, we've learned about so many amazing fruits and vegetables today. Remember, eating a variety of colors helps us stay healthy and strong. Which ones will you try next? Thanks for joining us on this delicious adventure. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye!